What's up, guys? This is Jay with Stick and Wrap. We're here in Virginia Beach, and we're gonna go take a look at a car real quick. Tell me what you guys think. This is it. You know what we should do? We should just go and take a look inside too. Oh, this looks really nice. Oh man, check this out. Looks really good. Now let's have a seat. Alright guys, now that we're actually inside this GTR, let's go ahead and take a spin, okay?
Okay,
Alright, let's get this started. Put my seatbelt on. And then just hit this button center right here. It's so low. Gotta make this turn. Oh man. Alright. Slow down a little bit. Alright guys, I guess this is it. I'll see you guys later. Catch you in the next video.